Sceptre E255B-1658A 165Hz 144Hz 1ms AMD FreeSync Gaming LED Monitor 2x HDMI 2.01x DisplayPort RTS FPS built-in speakers, machine black, metallic black. 165Hz 144Hz refresh rate pushing beyond the standard 144Hz. 165Hz gives gamers an edge in visibility as frames transition instantly, leaving behind no blurred images. 1 millisecond playing fast action games and watching action-adventure movies always require fast and accurate pixel response from an LED. AMD FreeSync. With FreeSync, gamers now enjoy smooth video and seamless on-the-spot movement through their fast-paced games. Anti-flicker provides a crisper picture by preventing the backlight from flickering periodically. Power range, VA, Hz, 100-240 VAC, 50-60 Hz, 1.1A, max. Power consumption, typical, 27 watts. Maximum 30 watts. Standby. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.